Hi guys, welcome back to the Verona Tribe channel, and this is the second part of our YouTube thumbnail tutorial. Last time, I shared to you how to remove the background of an image using Photoshop and remove.bg and creating a white outline around it so that it will look like a sticker. This time, we're going to arrange everything in Canva and do our thumbnail there using the image that we have created last time. So let's head over to Canva. I've already chosen our template for our thumbnail. This is the one that I have chosen. It's a green, black, and white car information, auto, and vehicle video template. So if you want to use this exact template, the keyword that I've used is YouTube video intro video or YouTube video. But there's lots of available template here that you could choose from. You don't have to use this exact template. I just chosen this because this is simple. For my daughter's YouTube thumbnail, of course we're going to change the black color because it doesn't fit a little girl. Last time we removed the background picture in Photoshop, but as I have said, if you don't have a Photoshop, you can use remove.bg. But in remove.bg, we cannot create a white outline around our image. In Canva, we can do it, it's just not as precise and smooth compared to Photoshop. But it's doable. So what we're gonna do is, let's add another page, how it's possible in Canva. So change the color because it's too bright. Okay, and then we're going to use this image without the outline yet, and then duplicate it. So you have two pictures now. The one at the bottom will serve as the outline for our picture on the top. So we're going to scale it up a bit because the background or the outline should be bigger than the photo on the top. With the bottom picture selected, click Effects, then you can use any of the duotone available here. It doesn't matter which one. So let's just choose this one. Then if you see this setting button, click that one, and then we're going to change the highlights and the shadows to make the image white. So let's click the highlights and drag your cursor to the top left corner of the color palette. It should be white, and then click this one and do the same. Drag it to the topmost left corner of the color palette. So our image becomes white now, and click Apply. So we're going to drag the top photo, and we need to arrange the top photo and layer it with a white background at the bottom so that it will create a white outline around it. So this is not as precise when you create white outline around an image in Photoshop, but I think this will do, because if you make the white background a bit bigger, there are some part, the bottom and the top part is too big already. Okay, so I think the first one is already okay for me. That's it. And there's also an option if you don't want a white outline. You can have, let's duplicate this again, and another one. Okay, you can have a glowing outline instead. Scale this up and click Effects again. Then you can select any duotone effects here. Let's try the blush one. Okay, and then layer over the top photo. The image has now a glowing effect. Up to you which one you prefer, the one with the white outline or the one with a glowing or neon effect. We're going to go now to we're going to go to this page already. So we're going to work on this page. First, we're going to change this background color. So just click it, and it shows that the background color is a neon green. We don't like it, so just click this, and then I want a dark turquoise one, and we're going to change the picture. Oh, this is a video, not the picture. So we're going to delete this video. We're going to use the original picture as a background of our thumbnail. So we will arrange it. We'll drag it to make it bigger. Okay, that big. Okay, let's make sure it's already in the center. We're going to place this the back. Right click and click send to back. Alright, then we want to change this black one into pink. So you click the element and click the color. This is the peach color. Also the other side. We'll change the text to have a birthday treat. Double click the text box, Control A to select all the text, and you can type have a birthday treat. We want it center, so let's click the alignment to make everything in the center. But it's quite big. So we're going to adjust the text size 75. Copy this one, duplicate this one, and let's change the color of the text to a darker blue. I think we're going to, okay, like that. I like it better. We will not copy this exact design. I change it to that one. I like it better. Then we will duplicate this one and change the text color to white to access the shadow underneath the text. Then we're going to change this text to the location where this vlog was made at Mr. DIY and Moshi Moshi, Ferry Plaza, Concan. Let's click this one at Mr. DIY and Moshi Moshi, Ferry Plaza, Concan. Okay, Concan is in Thailand, by the way. It's a city in the northeast of Thailand. The same thing with the text here. We're going to change the text into a dark blue one and duplicate this and make it white. Right. So just use the arrow key in your keyboard to adjust the placement of the top text. Okay, we're done with the text. Now we're going to add this image with white outline. So we're going to scale it up to cover the original image. Okay, and to make it bigger and pop out, it looks like it's popping out of the screen. Alright, so we already have our thumbnail. I think I like this better with the original one that I've created. The way the text are arranged. This is it. Hope you learned something, and you can download it as a picture. If you're going to upload it in YouTube, it should be either PNG or JPEG, but PNG has a higher quality than JPEG, so I suggest downloading it as a PNG. But if you want to incorporate this thumbnail to your video, just like what I did, you can animate it. So there will be some movement. How to animate? There's a button here, animate, and you could click that one and you have 11 options of animation if you have a pro Canva account. But if you don't have, you only have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. So this, if you could see the crown symbol there, that means you can only use this, only pro account users could use this. So we're going to try its animation to see which is the best. Block, So basically only the text move, fade, okay, pan. Okay, so the elements and image span from the left going to the right. Rise, down, going up, tumble. Okay, it's like tumbling. Simple, you cannot see the animation. You can only use simple if you have two or more slides or pages. So it will just slide like a PowerPoint presentation. So you cannot see it because we only have one page. Then the stomp one, like that. Baseline. Then pop. Neon. Scrapbook. Okay. I forgot which one I have used. I think the stomp one. Okay. You can download also. If it's animated, you can download it as MP4 video. Okay, but for the thumbnail, you download it as a PNG image. Okay, so you can use just one design, one template, but you can download it two ways, as an image and as a video. So that's all. I hope with this tutorial, you will now be able to create in Canva your own vlog thumbnail. Canva is a great tool, super easy and user-friendly for graphic and video designs with its drag and drop feature. The best thing is, it's free. If you haven't signed up yet, check out the description below for the Canva sign-up link. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like our video, and if you have any questions about our tutorial, comment it down below and I'll be happy to help. And if you haven't subscribed yet in our channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell so that you'll be notified with our future tutorials. Bye!